सो मेरा पहला नाम ना सचिन होगा ना विराट. फर्स्ट नेम आई थिंक ऑफ इज मैरी कॉम.
Konnichiwa, Watashi wa Gorika this. So you might be wondering, what did I just say? Well, I spoke Japanese, meaning hello, I am Gorika. The reason I did that is because the Olympics this year are held in Tokyo, Japan. So the reason we're talking about Olympics is because Mirabai Chanu, who represented India in the category of weightlifting, won a silver medal and made India proud. Now, here's a fact for you all. She's the second woman to win a silver medal for India in the Olympics after PV Sindhu. Today, we're going to talk about Olympics and sports in general. I'd like to hand over to Nishant to tell our audience more about the Olympics.
So hello everyone, a warm welcome from my side. First of all, I would like to congratulate Mirabai Chanu for the silver medal. She made us, all of us, proud. So the wait is over now. Finally, Tokyo has kicked off. So Olympics are the big moments for every sports person. सब लोग ओलंपिक्स का वेट करते हैं कि 4 years में एक बार होता है, मेडल्स के लिए रेस होती है. So that's always good. Everyone grows up playing sports and it's something we cherish upon. So now, what does an Olympic mean to an athlete? So for an instance, if you are an actor, then Olympics is your Oscar. If you are a Nobel Prize candidate, then Olympics is your Nobel Prize. Every sports person dreams to bag a medal in Olympic. They just want to make their country proud. झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा, ये वाली ही बात रहती है. So अब स्पोर्ट्स हमको जिंदगी में क्या सिखाता है, जीवन में क्या सिखाता है. तो फर्स्टली स्पोर्ट्स टीचेस अस मेनी इंपॉर्टेंट ट्रेट्स इन आवर लाइफ. बहुत ऐसे गुण सिखाता है जो जीवन में बहुत जरूरी होते हैं, जैसे कि टीम वर्क, हार्ड वर्क, पेशेंस एक्सेट्रा. Like I also play cricket and want to pursue a career in that. So playing cricket has also taught me patience, self-confidence, and how to make your opportunities big, how to go big. So that's all sports teaches us. It's very essential in our life. So let's get upon Olympics. So Olympics are the leading sports events in which thousands of athletes compete in various sports events. So there is a fierce competition for medals, but actually it's about celebrating unity in our sports. Now let's come upon the athletes. Athletes have very inspiring stories, and personally जो मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा इंस्पायर करती है वो है मैरी कॉम. अगर आज मुझे कोई भी एक जना पूछे कि who is the greatest sports person of India, so मेरा पहला नाम ना सचिन होगा ना विराट. First name I think of is Mary Kom. She is the mother of 3 children, but still is the biggest medal hope for India. Her story just gives me goosebumps. So, what's the reason why India has so middling or rather poor performance in Olympics? तो यहाँ पे एक stat छोटा सा मैं देना चाहूँगा जो आपको बहुत सरप्राइज कर सकता है. That countries like Jamaica and Bahrain, जिनकी population इंडिया से almost 50 times less है, but they have more golds than India in the Olympics. That's very surprising for me too. Actually ये research में मुझे पता चला अभी जब इस episode की मैंने करी. So then I started to think of what are those reasons that backfires our performance in Olympics. जो 2 main reason I could understand was that the culture and the infrastructure. So the culture of India and the sports infrastructure of India, I think they need improvement. फर्स्टली कल्चर की बात करते हैं. जैसे कल्चर होता है इंडिया में जो मेनली पाया जाता है कि पढ़ोगे लिखोगे तो बनोगे नवाब, खेलोगे कूदोगे तो होगे खराब. सो दैट्स अ फिलॉसफी दैट आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड एंड नॉट सपोर्ट ऑल्सो. आई डोंट सपोर्ट दैट ऑल्सो. सो जब बच्चे छोटे होते हैं तो उनके दिमाग में डाल दिया जाता है कि पढ़ाई करनी है, इंजीनियर, डॉक्टर, IAS ये सब बनना है. सो उस चक्कर में बच्चों का स्पोर्ट्स जो है बहुत पीछे रह जाता है. सेकेंड जो बात करते हैं इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर की. सो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर इज लाइक दैट कि देयर आर, लेट्स टॉक अबाउट क्रिकेट फर्स्ट. सो इन क्रिकेट वी हैव अ स्ट्रॉन्ग डोमेस्टिक स्ट्रक्चर. देयर आर रणजी मैचेस एंड लिस्ट ए मैचेस, इंडिया ए टूर्स. सो दैट prepares a kind of country which is on the top of cricket, right? अगर हम ऐसी फैसिलिटीज होती है तो हम टॉप पे जाते हैं. बट इफ वी थिंक ऑफ अदर स्पोर्ट्स लाइक आर्चरी और rowing, for instance, we take, so there are no facilities for that. There are no I say funding or a proper federation for that, so that also backfires our performance. So now I would like to hand over Mahi. She has also something to say.
I feel to excel more in sports, we need to start at the bottom or the basic level. Being very honest, in our country, or if I say specifically in our schools, most of the attention is given to cricket and football, which I don't really support because I feel every sport should have their own and equal recognition. I am somebody who plays basketball, and in my school or the schools in my city, don't really get a fair chance as compared to the people who play cricket and football for their inter-school competitions or competitions at the state or national level. Um, Schools don't really support the ones which are the sports which are not cricket and football, and I think schools need to take an initiative to bring out the other sports as well, so that in case a student is not good in cricket or football, they can choose other sport and can excel in that, because not everybody is good at the glorified sports. Honestly, in our schools, even when there are a lot of people who like to play sports but are not really good at them, but like the teachers don't really appreciate them, even though they score a point, they are not really appreciated as compared to the excelled students in the particular sport, and I feel that is really wrong. I guess the students are going to excel in a sport when they are motivated by their mentors and their teachers. So I guess this needs to be improved. And in our country as well, usually sports like cricket and football are mostly shown in our newspapers or TVs or basically broadcasted. And I feel that other sports as well need to have their recognition. So I think that children at an early age should be encouraged to engage more in sports, and it also highlights the quality of athletes as well. This will result in more medals.
Thank you all for listening to this episode. Stay tuned for the next one. Until then, goodbye. Stay home and stay safe, guys.